climb inside the 2012 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.